It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 4th of April. I'm James Spann. Tomorrow will be sunny and cooler. A thunderstorm event Wednesday night, maybe some strong storms, and a pretty good pop of colder air by the time the weekend gets here. So let's dive in with both feet. Water vapor satellite view. What a beautiful day. A very dry air mass in place with a northwest flow aloft and a clipper passing north of the state. Up in the mid-70s today. Boy, look at Muscle Shoals. They've got 79. They're the warm spot up in the northwestern corner. Birmingham at 76. But tomorrow, temperatures will be about 10 degrees cooler in the wake of that clipper. You can see it's pretty cold up in the northeast United States and around the Great Lakes. They're only in the 30s and 20s with some snow falling in spots up there, and we'll catch the edge of that air mass tomorrow. So again, highs drop into the middle 60s. Up on the watch warning map, we got freeze advisories for parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, over to Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. Winter weather advisories for parts of the northeast United States. High wind warnings for parts of Montana and some of the surrounding states. And red flag warnings for the wildfire danger over the panhandles of Texas, Oklahoma, and northern New Mexico. Convective outlook, we got a risk defined tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of Kansas and some of the adjacent states. And on day 3, we are in a marginal risk. That includes much of Alabama, Mississippi, middle and western Tennessee, western Georgia. And we'll check those parameters in a moment. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. About 1 inch for North Alabama, lighter amounts down to the south, and almost all of that is going to be Wednesday night. So here we go. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Trough rotating off the Atlantic coast. Pretty powerful shortwave coming down through the Dakotas and parts of Montana. But again, for us, a beautiful day. Sunny and cooler with mid-60s. We note that new surface low developing between Denver and Wichita. And then Wednesday at midday, that surface low is near Chicago, 996 millibars with a trailing front. We should stay dry during the day Wednesday. The high will be around 70. But clouds will likely increase by afternoon, and Wednesday night, here comes the band of showers and storms trailing that surface low ahead of the cold front. And you always need to watch this time of the year, so let's take a look at some of the severe weather parameters. This is the low-level jet at 1 a.m. Thursday when the storm should be coming through. You can see the stronger winds north and east of Alabama through parts of northeast Georgia and the Carolinas. Winds are about 40 knots around here. That's not very impressive. Surface-based instability, hardly any. And the storm relative helicity values are not especially high in advance of that. So, yeah, I think marginal is the right way to put it. We could see some storms with hail and gusty winds, but for now it certainly doesn't look like a big threat. Then during the day Thursday, the sky becomes partly to mostly sunny. The high will be in the middle 60s. Pretty good north wind on the backside of that departing storm. And then Friday, breezy and noticeably cooler. Many locations north of Birmingham will stay in the 50s all day. The high for Birmingham should be around 60. Mostly sunny, but breezy and cool. Saturday, the surface high near Memphis. Saturday morning will be pretty chilly. Again, look, coming off the GFS, it's got upper 20s and low 30s around here at daybreak Saturday. And Sunday morning might be just as cold. In fact, let me just jump to the numbers off the European. It's showing Sunday mornings the coldest. Got Birmingham at 34. I think both mornings we go in the 30s with a chance of frost and, again, a freeze for the colder valley. So growers, this weekend, watch those temperature forecasts. But again, Saturday will be a glorious day, sunny with a daytime high around 60. And then Sunday, bright and sunny with a high close to 70 after that cold morning. Monday of next week from today, troughing in the southwest, but for us, we're dry, mostly sunny with a high getting up into the mid-70s, if this is right. And then Tuesday, April 12th, next storm system pushes in. Doesn't look especially strong with a surface low, but we'll always monitor that for severe weather potential. But for now, it doesn't look overwhelmingly dangerous. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 14th, troughing just to the east, and we are dry, and another cooler air mass dropping in here, if this verifies. These are the anomalies April 12th through April 18th, a little below average here. And again, back to those numbers off the European. You can see pretty cool nights, but temperatures during the day will likely be in the 60s on through the middle part of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.